Fruit fly infestations respond quickly to simple lure and lock bottle traps when placed where the flies congregate. Make vinegar-baited bottle traps by pouring a cup of apple cider vinegar into a clean glass or plastic bottle and adding a teaspoon of dish soap to break the surface tension so flies drown. Then fashion a funnel from stiff paper or cut the top off a plastic bottle and invert it into the body, leaving a small hole for flies to enter but not exit, and secure it with tape. Position traps near fruit bowls, compost bins, sink drains, and trash cans where adult flies are most active, and keep them at counter height so the bait scent travels at the level they fly. For heavier infestations, use commercial sticky fly traps with attractant cards or bait stations hung near light sources and entry points. Change the sticky cards as soon as they fill to avoid attracting more flies to the area. Sanitize potential breeding sites by removing overripe fruit, wiping counters daily, rinsing, recycling, and emptying indoor compost frequently, and flush drains with a cup of baking soda followed by a cup of white vinegar and hot water after 10 minutes to remove organic film. Replace or refresh bait at least once per week and after heavy rain or cleaning, since weakened baits lose attraction quickly. Keep multiple traps running in different locations until you see no new adults for 2 consecutive weeks. When using any trap in food preparation areas, keep baits enclosed in jars or sealed traps to avoid contaminating surfaces, and label traps so household members know not to disturb them. 3 common mistakes are placing only one trap in the room, which slows reduction because fruit flies are clustered in microhabitats. Fix it by deploying several small traps around all suspected hotspots. Another is using stale or weak bait like diluted vinegar left for many days, which diminishes attraction. Replace bait weekly and use apple cider vinegar or a bit of wine for stronger lure. Finally, neglecting breeding sites such as drain residue or forgotten bins lets new generations replace trapped adults. Routinely clean drains with mechanical brushes and dispose of spoiled produce promptly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers practical how-to discussions for projects like kitchen pest control. We host a discussion community where users share trap designs, bait recipes, and contractor experiences, and we help contractors find work by showcasing project leads and homeowner needs.